Hello, I'm back. So, today I wanted to talk to you about me saying it's no longer my time. Because for some reason, people would get upset whenever I say that. Don't panic. Don't be upset. It's not a bad thing. I'm just being realistic. Because it's true. It's no longer my time. That means I can no longer compete with the young ones. Come on, I'm 54 years old. I have been in the industry for almost 40 years. And I have been singing all my life. And the truth is, even if I still can compete, I really don't want to anymore. Galing akong singing contest. And half my career, feeling ko kailangan ko mag-compete. Kasi sinastablish ko yung sarili ko. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do that anymore. Sa ngayon, ini-enjoy ko yung life ko. Ini-enjoy ko yung respect na nakukuha ko from my peers. Hindi mo basta-basta nakukuha yun na it's not just given to you for no apparent reason. You earn that. And I love that I inspire other artists. Really, I consider myself as a mentor now. I love mentoring new artists. That's why pagka tinatanong nila ako kung pwede ako mag-guest sa concert nila, I'm there. Kasi gusto ko rin bigyan sila ng mga pointers. Kasi nagtatanong din naman sila. At minsan kahit hindi nga sila nagtatanong, binibigay ko pa rin unsolicited advice. But kasi feeling ko yung mga na-experience ko for 40 years, dadalhin ko lang yun sa hukay. So parang sayang naman yung mga experiences na at yung mga learnings na nakuha ko all throughout the 40 years. Kung ibabaon ko lang yun sa lupa. So I thought it would be good to share it. Yung knowledge na accumulate ko through the years. And it's a good thing. And I love that. And they listen to me. And that's wonderful. I also want to remind them that all of these things can be gone. Just like that. Ganun talaga. Especially ang fame. Mabilis lang. Just like that, nawawala yun. So, gusto kong sabihin sa kanila, let's be grateful for what we have. Meron akong nakitang video dito sa TikTok. Sabi niya, pag meron tayong nakuhang blessings, let's enjoy it first. Hindi yung kakakuha mo lang ng blessing or kakatupad pa lang ng pangarap mo, nangangarap ka na naman ng iba, kung ano pa yung bang tinotodo natin talaga, natupad to, itodo natin, ano pa yung pwede kong gawin. And ang nangyayari sa atin, we don't get to really enjoy what we have now. Nagiging ungrateful tuloy tayo. And kung merong pangarap na hindi matupad, feeling natin hindi na tayo dinidinig ng Panginoon. It's not true. Nakalimutan lang natin maging grateful. Nakalimutan lang natin maging thankful. Kaya ganun. And ako sa akin, in-enjoy ko itong career kong ito. And I'm still enjoying it. I just don't want to fool myself na nasa prime pa ako. Ayoko yun because I think that would be very, very painful for me. And ayokong magising isang araw na ito na yung magiging realidad ko. Okay na yung aware ako where I am in the industry. I think it's very healthy. I think it's right. Hindi ba? And like I said, I'm still here. I'm doing a concert in February. I'm coming out with a new album, right? So I'm still doing what I love most, which is performing, singing, and doing other things. Nakakatawa nga kasi ang pangarap ko lang naman talaga maging recording artist. Hindi ko akalain na magiging concert artist ako. Hindi ko inakalang magiging actress ako. Hindi ko inakalang magiging host ako ng mga TV shows. Hindi ko akalaing makakatrabaho ko yung magagaling ng mga artista. Lahat ng yun, ibinigay sa akin. Of course, I had to work hard for it, but still, I was given the opportunity. Ano pa bang hihilingin ko? My gosh. Again, hindi lahat nabibigyan ng ganong pagkakataon. So, I just wanna be thankful. I wanna be grateful. Meron akong isa pang pelikulang napanood. Recently lang, hindi nga ako sure kung nagustuhan ko yung movie, pero nakuha ko yung pinaka-gist ng story niya. Na there was this woman and her career was her life. She wasn't married, no kids, she's alone. And dumating na siya dun sa punto na kailangan siyang i-fire because tumanda na siya eh. Ganun talaga yun. Kahit sa ang industry, pag tumatanda ka na, ganun talaga yun. Mas less na talaga yung opportunity sa atin. Kaya di ba lagi tayo nire-remind ng mga magulang natin na mag-ipon ka for the future kasi yun yung future. Yun yung future natin. Tatanda tayo. So anyway, going back to the movie, syempre, na-crush yung world niya kasi nga, mawawalan na siya ng trabaho, mawawalan siya ng life. So, she wanted another chance. She wanted to have, kumbaga, parang another break. Eh, matanda na siya. So, kung ano-ano tuloy yung ginawa niya, ang ending namatay siya. And for what? Parang, worth it ba yun? Also, at the end of the day, sure, career is good. Career is important. Yun din ang huhubog ng personalidad mo. But at the end of the day, kanino ka umuuwi? 'Di ba? Pwede mo bang itabi yung career mo muna at i-enjoy yung life mo? I think it would be the saddest thing in the world kung ganun yung nangyari sa akin na puro lang ako career at wala akong life. I am so thankful that I have a life. And you guys have to understand, I am a wife now, and I am a mother. And that's another side of me that I am enjoying so much. I love being a wife. I love supporting my husband. I love being a mom. And of course, I love being a sister. I love being a daughter, a friend. Siyempre, yung pagiging artist, nasa DNA ko na yun. Pero, meron akong buhay. And I love that I have that. Otherwise, wala akong ibang iniisip kundi yung career ko. I think, okay lang kung bata ka, pero as you get older, parang hindi na siya masyadong healthy. That's a good talk. Well, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone once again for your support. Kasi parang after 40 years, somehow you guys are still interested in whatever I decide to do with my career. And I am, again, so grateful for that. I am grateful for you guys. Thank you very much. And that's it for today. I just want to remind you guys to be kind and to have a blessed day.